The first step to applying window film is cleaning the window. Next, you'll want to measure the windows and cut the film slightly larger than the window's dimensions. The film has a liner on the side that faces the window, and this is removed next. That surface of the film and the window itself can then be sprayed with the application solution. Now the film can be placed on the window. The solution allows it to be adjusted to fit in the center of the pane. When the position is right, use a small squeegee or a credit card to force out the application solution and remove any small air bubbles. Work from the center outward in all 4 directions. Finally, use a razor knife to trim the overhanging edges of the film flush with the edges of the window.